Hi children, good morning. How are you? Fine, na? Yeah, that's good. Here I am Sunil Harimkhede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear children, would you like to learn with fun? Yeah, I like also. So let's learn subject English grammar. And today's our topic is pronoun. Let's learn about parts of speech pronoun. Yeah, there are 8 types of parts of speech, and today we are dealing with. Dear children, what is pronoun? Do you know? No, don't worry. Today we are going to get more information on pronoun. Are you ready? Yeah. A pronoun is a word or phrase which is taking place of a noun. Means a pronoun is taking place. Means we are not going to use a noun. Just we are using that word which is taking place of that noun, and that is pronoun. In other words, means we can say pronoun is a substitution for the noun. For example, Ramesh is a boy, Manisha is a girl, and Ramesh and Manisha are the students. Do you know here the name noun? Can you guess? Ramesh, Manisha, and the third sentence, Ramesh and Manisha. So these are the nouns. But when we are dealing with pronoun, so the sentence will become like he is a boy, she is a girl, and they are students. Means in place of Ramesh we use he. In place of Manisha we use the word she, and they we use for Ramesh and Manisha. So here he, she, and they, these words are called pronoun. Yeah, that's interesting. Pronoun makes more interesting the sentence and the speech. How? Just read the text. Abdul was a student. Abdul lived in a small village. Abdul's father was a farmer and Abdul's mother was housewife. Abdul loved to wander in the jungle. One day, Abdul caught a wounded parrot. Abdul brought the parrot to Abdul's home. Abdul's father, and Abdul's mother saved the parrot's life. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means near about 10 place we use the word Abdul. Yeah. So just read the another one. Yeah. Abdul was a student. He lived in a small village. His father was a farmer and his mother was a housewife. He loved to wander in the jungle. One day he caught a wounded parrot. He brought it to his home. They saved its life. So dear children, just observe, just see both the two texts. In the above text we use lot of time Abdul, Abdul's father, Abdul's home, Abdul's mother. But in second para or text only we used first once Abdul, and in whole text we use he is, yes, eat, they eats. So it is the difference. So which is more interesting? The second one, yes, because in first one there are so many repetition of Abdul. Yeah. Here in both texts Abdul is a noun, but instead of it we use what? He. In place of Abdul's we used his. Like that, Abdul's father, and Abdul's mother. These are the 3 nouns, but instead of that 3 nouns we just use they. Parrot, Instead of parrot we use eat. Parrots eats. So these are the pronouns. We are substituting the noun. Some examples of pronouns. Yeah. I, we, me, you, she, this, something, myself, that, whom, which, where, anyone, they. So these are the examples of pronouns. Yeah. Thank you guys. Did you enjoy and learn what is pronoun? Means instead of noun we are using the words, they are substituting the noun. So these are the pronouns. Thank you guys for watching. We will take more information about pronoun in our next video. Its types, there's example with sentences. Thank you guys. We will meet again. Bye.